So here's a little surprise video for you folks, a little cheeky tinsel project. Let me show you what you can do with a bit of old Christmas tinsel.
Start it up.
Days later. So this is as far as we've got. I was kind of not really knowing where I was going with the shape, but this sort of come to me. I don't really know why, but I don't know, it had to be something. I know I've taken quite a bit off, but I just wanted to try and get rid of all of this wood. There is still a little bit right at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't really. Put the light in it. There. I did want to try and get rid of that, but I don't really think I can in the way that it's been designed now, but that's right, it's not too bad. So just rub this down lightly. I'm going to take it off here. I'm not going to leave this. I'm going to take it off here, so this is going to be where it's going to finish. Not sure whether or not to incorporate a piece of wood onto this yet or not. I don't know. I might do. Just to sort of like give it something extra, but I'm not too sure. But we'll see. Right, now we're going to apply some finishes. See if we can buff this up. You gotta try this one at home, folks. Grab the tinsel off your Christmas tree and stick it in some resin. Know what I'm saying? Well, I hope that this project made your Christmas a little better. It certainly gave me an extra sparkle. Now, I know you've seen this one before, but it's been remastered, re-edited, and it's the director's cut. That's me. I thought I would just pop this one back out there because it hasn't been seen for such a long time. I did this years ago, but it was well received then. So I'm hoping it's well received now. Maybe. Either way, it's extra content and a bit of waffle from me over Christmas. I mean, come on. I do actually have another video coming out, hopefully over Christmas. I've been working on it. It's not the big one that I've been working on, that's still ongoing. It's a smaller version of the big one. It's got nothing to do with the big one, but it's a smaller version of a video. But it should be coming at you over Christmas time somewhen. So look out for that one, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope that everyone is having a really nice, cool, relaxing, chilled out, happy Christmas. And I just want to say thanks to everyone that supported me and my channel so far. For those of you that are still here watching, I know a lot of you aren't, but a lot of you still are. And that's the important thing. It's you folks that are watching this, that are still watching me now. I make these videos for you, not for me. Not at all. I love trying to entertain and inspire others, and I do hope that I have done that again this year to some of you. Thanks for all your lovely comments and likes and shares. It makes a huge difference to me, so thank you so much for that. I'll stop waffling and let you get back to your Christmas pudding. I'll see you really soon. Take care.